Good morning or afternoon, depending on what time you're here. Welcome, gentlemen, to Science for Men. If you're not a regular in my science class, you probably don't know that I use a co-teacher occasionally that is actually me. I use a co-teacher for at least the objective every single day, sometimes for more. For today, we're kind of just looking at the objective, might expand a little bit on it in Science for Men, Part B. Today we're doing Part A. It should take about 45 minutes, which means we have a couple minutes to review the objectives first. While that's being reviewed, I'm going to go ahead and be passing out some worksheets associated with what we're doing today. You also, if you have it, are going to want to get out a notebook. If you don't have a notebook, please grab some paper from my pickup bin next to the character It's How You Live Your Life poster over by the front door. It's the very top bin. There might be some lined paper. It's usually old assignments that are just blank on the back. Please go ahead and grab that so you have something to write on, because that is going to be useful for today's activity. Objectives. I put on our board, I can participate actively in Science for Men activities on health and beauty and biodiversity by determining diversity and population sizes. I also put a reminder that there is quiz 2 tomorrow on carrying capacity and predation. That is a little bit giving away one of the answers, so you have an advantage over the girls, I guess, unless they looked at the vlog. But the actual in-depth objectives that are too much to put on the objective board. To understand the importance of biodiversity to the health and beauty of Earth and its inhabitants. To conceptualize that there are two primary components to measuring species diversity, richness and evenness. To simulate and familiarize yourselves with a technique used to measure biodiversity. To experience how mathematics is used in biology, how diversity can be described and quantified with a mathematical index, and to connect learning to STEM career fields, so science, technology, engineering, and math career fields. Our sample career connections are biologist, botanist, ecologist, wildlife and fisheries management, and zoologist. So actually being like a zookeeper or some kind of a person who so that is what we're looking at today, kind of to be aware of that. Our problems that we are investigating, how can we categorize various habitats in terms of their biodiversity, and how can we estimate populations of species. If you have not already, please make sure that you are sitting in tables of 3 to 4. We don't want to be just crowding around, sitting wherever we want. Please don't move all the chairs around. Sitting in groups of 3 to 4, standard procedure that we would do in mine or Miss Wellner's class. And then we can get started on the activity, continuing through with the live version of me for today. So this is all you're going to get from the co-teacher today, possibly more in Part B, which we're going to be doing next week. Tentatively Monday. It might actually get moved, but tentatively we're looking at that on Monday.